Okay, this problem says a small warehouse employs a supervisor at $1,400 a week, an inventory manager at $750 a week, 6 stock boys at $450 a week, and 4 drivers at $490 a week. And they want you to find the median wage. So what you want to kind of think about are these numbers. You've got the 1,400. I can just, we'll know they're in dollars, so I won't put the dollar sign each time. And then we have an inventory manager at 750. Now we have 6 stock boys, so you're going to have to do that 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That should be 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. And then 4 drivers at $490 a week. 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you want the mean wage, we could just, well, I'll just go ahead and write mean here. And then in cell B13, I'm going to do equals. I'll do the average. And then I'm going to do the average of these numbers right here. And it gives me 567.5. I might like to see 2 decimal places, so I'm going to increase the decimal places by going up top here and hitting increase decimal places. So 567.50, 567.50. Okay, then it asks for the median, so I could come in here and ask it to do the median for me. I'm just writing the word median, and I'll do equals, and then median. I'm double clicking on that median, and then I'll select this set of data, and it tells me the median is 470, and I can check the answer. How many employees earn more than the mean wage? You know, you might want to sort this data. This is kind of a fun little skill from like highest to lowest. So what you could do is just highlight the row, and then if you come over to this A to Z, it'll order. So we could sort from smallest to largest. That might be helpful. I just want to continue with the current selection. So I'll just ask it to sort. And now it has that data sorted. So now the question is, how many employees earn more than the mean? The mean was 567.50. So we see that there's just 2 employees that earn more than 567.50. So 2. You probably could answer that without sorting it, which is kind of fun. And then it says, which measure of center best describes a typical wage at this company, the mean or the median? And you should be able to conclude that it's going to be the median, because the median is more representative of kind of the middle earnings of the people. This data is skewed by the supervisor, who makes quite a bit more than the rest of the people, so that skews the mean towards the right. So the median best describes the typical wage. The mean is not a good measure of center because it's affected by the multitude. That's not because of the duplicate salaries. It's actually the higher salaries. So the mean is not good because it's affected by the 2 higher salaries. And then what's the next question? I have to click continue. Which measure of spread would best describe the payroll? The range, the IQR, the standard deviation. Whenever we have skewed data, as we do here, the IQR is the best measure because it's just going to look at the middle 50%. So we're going to change that. We're going to select the IQR. The range is too spread out. Okay, and I hope that helps.